Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be continuing the series of Creo Parametric for beginners. So already I have put down two videos, one with the introduction of Creo Parametric and another one with the Sketcher introduction. This is the continuation of Sketcher introduction for Creo Parametric. And today's tutorial we are going to sketch this profile or this drawing, as you can see on the left side. And for this I'm gonna use the Creo Part Design, and let's start with the front plane. Go for extrude, go for sketch view. To quickly draw this, we can either go for a mirroring and then just create half of the drawing and then mirror it, or else we can do the full thing in one go. It's up to you. So for now I'm gonna start with the mirror. So first we'll go for center line like this, then start with the line command. I will go from here, let's say somewhere around here, go for like this, create one line. Now this line is 50, so I'm gonna give it 50, and then this line will go down further 12, so let's take another line, do 112. So this is 12. Now this whole distance is 40, that means this will be 20 because we are going to mirror it. And then select unselect your plane so that it is more clear for you. Now after this, let's start with this part. So again line, start from here, uh, random lines, just draw how the profile is. I will do one more line like this, one more line like this, and then somewhere like this, and then escape. So this is all I want for now. After this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drag whole sketch, go for this is symmetry, here editing, mirror, select your center line. Now our sketch is almost done. Now close the sketch by using a line tool like this, again one more line like this. So in this manner we have created the sketch. Now all we have to do is give the dimension as per the values. So this is, let's say I will give it 16, this is 34, this is 30, this is 50 already defined, this is how much, 16, okay, and then this distance over here is 5, so let's give it 5. Another distance is this one, so I'm gonna take a dimension and give it 14. 50 is done, 12, so this one is 12, this is again 40. How much is this? 34, right? This is 34, we have already defined. 5 we have already defined. Okay, so now as you can see, this line, this dimension is of different color, which means it is not fully defined yet. And to make it fully defined, what we can do is, let me see quickly how we can define it. I put in all my values, 12, 40, this is okay, this is okay, this is also okay, maybe, let me check. So this is not fixed, as you can see. So if you take any of the points, you can see all the dimensions are changing if you are dragging your mouse. Now to fix that, you have to go to files, options, and sketcher, go to here and say lock user defined dimension, press OK. Now if I define this as 16, and this as 34. You can see the color is already changing, so which means this is strong dimension. You can left click and then lock it. So in this case, see, it can only move like this. Now that all the strong dimensions are not going to change, so make sure your dimensions are strong. This is 50. Let me dimension it in this way, so it goes, delete the 20, keep the 40. 5 is 5 is also strong dimension, 16 is also a strong dimension. So now we have defined everything, but still, as you can see, let me check. See, this distance is moving. Now to lock it, what you can do is select this horizontal line and this horizontal line and make them coincident. So in this way, there is no further um, this sketch is fully defined now. You can see all the points are logged in with the dimensions, or you can say the constraint, and this is what we wanted to achieve in here. And furthermore, you can add two circle, let's say one here. Let's give it a dimension of 10 dia. Let's give it a distance of 13 and this distance as 10. And then again we can select this circle, go for mirror, select the center line. So you have another circle over here. Press OK, change it to standard orientation. Again you can give the depth, so I will go for symmetry and keep it 100. It's fine. So yeah, this is your 3D model part, and this all we created from one simple sketch inside Creo Parametrics. So this is how you can learn the sketching part inside Creo Parametric. There is no other way to go about it. You have to play with the constraint and the dimension toolbar. So basically these dimensional constraint and this your other constraint in terms of vertical, horizontal, tangent, coincident, these constraints will play a better role in learning sketching in Creo Parametric. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you comment down below if you have any doubts, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in the next tutorial with another sketching video. Peace out.